Today I'm starting a 14 days experiment. No ads, no previous customers, no shortcut. For the next 14 days, I'm going all in to see what happened if a solo founder focus on execution entirely. The goal is to generate 100k worth revenue using nothing but skills, product outreach content, and relentless action. Of course, referrals. But there are some rules. No paid ads, no boosting post, no buying traffic, no fake scarcity, no old leads, no previous customer. And here are some new rules. I can't use any of my existing systems, any of my workflows, any of my SOP. Everything has to build from scratch during this challenge. That means if you are a freelancer, a designer, a creator, a founder who doesn't already have systems in place, we are starting from the same position. Every win get documented, every rejections get documented, every unanswered messages get documented. No editing the story after it happens. What I'm selling: product designer OS, client delivery OS, and creator content OS. Plus, I have a bundle that combines product designer OS and client delivery OS. And our services are solo founder management system and system audit roadmap. Will I hit 100k? Honestly, I don't know. Maybe I hit $500, maybe I hit $5,000, or maybe one client changes everything. That's why I'm documenting this publicly. Day one starts now. Let's see what happens.